Hello dear students, just few minutes before GATE 2025 result is out. I feel very happy that till now I guess only 15 to 20 minutes are there when the result has came. So more than 4 to 5 students till now within last 15 minutes when the result has came. From Resultant, particularly English batch, students got rank under 100, that is 2-digit rank. Very soon we'll be having a chit chat session, a strategy session, or an inspiration session from them in our Resultant app. So in last 15 minutes, 5 students got the double-digit rank, and hopefully in by the evening we'll get more such results. Only 1 year has been with Resultant when we started it last year, and hopefully in the coming years with our complete team we'll be having more such wonderful results. Guys, result is not only students who are getting the top rank, but on the result day, even this is the harsh reality of Indian competition, not only GATE but any competition exam, that there is a large portion of, I should not say unsuccessful, but unhappy students on the result day. I have a message for them also. But before I go forward, that what should be the next step, let me tell you the cutoff of GATE 2025. GATE 2023 and 24 you are having on your screen. Let me tell you the cutoff of GATE 2025 as well. Let me be little small in the bottom, and then you can see the data more clearly. Okay, so if I talk about the 2025 data, or the cutoff of GATE 2025, it is more or less expected. Okay, that always guys, whether the paper is very easy, very tough, the cutoff is not changing much. Okay, so I am writing the cutoff of civil engineering. So for general category guys, for general category the cutoff was 29.2 marks. Okay, for OBC, that is non-creamy EWS, the cutoff for 2025 GATE civil engineering was 26.2, and for SC ST and PWD the cutoff was 19.4 marks. Okay, so this cutoff is little more than the previous year, but it is not a huge difference. Also guys, if some of you want to know, although we can have a detailed session on it later on, that at what rank what is expected, you can take a screenshot for this year. I have written that for 0 to 250 rank PSUs are available for general OBC SC ST, old IT is available, everything. For 250 to 400 for general category PSU is not available, for other category PSU is available, and for this you can see here. Let me you can pause the video later on. Okay, and once you pause the video then you can take a screenshot. Let me be little hide so you can take a screenshot of this later on. Okay, also guys, not only this, but if you want any other guidance irrespective of your result, might be your result is good or not good, if you want any suggestion guys, then I'll be happy to take care of your doubts or to take the counseling. Okay, so you can all call me, or better WhatsApp me, because every time I'm not free, I have classes also. So you can WhatsApp me at this number. Okay, whatever your doubt is, please WhatsApp me at this number. Whenever I'll be free, I'll be taking personally. Okay, this is no auto generated message will be coming you. I will be sending, most of the times I'll be sending the voice recording. 9354916360. Okay, now about the result guys, again 2025 result is out, and many students particularly from English batch got double digit rank, and soon we will be having an interactive session on our Resultant app. Guys, those students particularly who don't get the desired result, or those who are unhappy, let me tell you guys, life will not always be same. Even you, some of you get a very good result, then you will always not be happy. Okay, happiness, being successful, being financially independent, being financially strong depends on many things. Gate is just a small part of your life. Actually, to be very real with you, studies or career is also a very small part of your life. I'm a teacher, but this is the truth, guys. Health, behavior, your family are much more important than the result, than the career. Now, if career takes a small fraction of your life, now coming to that fraction, I always said before the result also that gate gives you a good career, or gate gives you a better chance to get a good career. But a good career is obtained not only from gate, there are multiple other exams which gives equivalent or sometimes better opportunity. But again, guys, if there are other opportunities also, that doesn't mean that you will go and you will get them. The concepts, the fundamentals, the practice, the hard work, the syllabus coverage is required for other exams also. If you are not willing or not ready to take that challenge of completing the syllabus, doing the practice, getting the concepts in deep, then guys, this field is not for you. Might be you can switch to private or some other thing. But if you want to be stick in this field doesn't means gate. This field means gate, this field means BAG, this field means state service commissions, this field means HPCL, BHEL, PSUs which are taking their own exam, any technical exam. So if you want to be in this field, you have to cover the syllabus. You have to go to the depth of the concepts. You have to practice. You have to do hard work. Many students are asking me in last 15-20 days after the gate exam that should we take a drop or not. Simple answer, yaar. If you do lot of hard work in last 7 months, given your 100% or 90%, and this is the cutoff and you are reaching here. If you are reaching here, the cutoff is very far away. With your full effort, you are very far away from the cutoff. You can switch this line. But if you are very near to the cutoff, with your full hard work or with your 50% hard work or with your 10% hard work, if you are very near to the cutoff, even with your full hard work, 50% hard work, 10% hard work, then guys, that means you are very near to the boundary line, and with again 3-4 months preparation, you can cross that line. Now you are asking, you may be thinking, sir, the drop will be of 1 year, na? Guys, drop is of 1 year after the 12th exam. When the next year engineering entrance exam will be after 1 year. This is, guys, you have done the B.Tech now. Now after every 3 months there will be exam, there will be state service examination, there will be a BHL exam, there will be HPCL exam, BARC exam, any other exam. So here the drop will not go for 1 year. So if you want to be in this field, be exam ready, complete your syllabus, have the in-depth coverage of the syllabus, and go chase your dreams. Okay, again I am telling you guys, for any help regarding counseling, whether you get good result, bad result, if you want to directly connect me, please WhatsApp me at this number. I am again saying WhatsApp. For call I am not available. Whenever I will be free, I will be taking your doubts and I will be replying mostly in the voice messages. Now how Resultant is helping you guys? You can download the Resultant app from the Play Store. Okay. Once you download the app, guys, then you can see the various free lectures are available there. Okay, the courses are available. If you want, it is in English batch and Hindi batch, both available. If you want, you can enroll there. Okay, so you can join my Telegram group. Already more than 6,000 students have joined here, and every day we are putting the PDF in the morning and solution for the same PDF in the evening. Okay, so we have Vision 26 batch. This is the price. Here in this batch, for English batch, it will be live plus recorded. Concepts will be done in the recorded mode, and practice, doubt sessions. Okay, any other numerical session, PYQ session will be live. Concepts will be recorded. So you'll be getting live plus recorded. For every subject, you will be getting, guys, weekly test. Test series like Gate platform, Gate interface. For every subject, you will be getting study notes that you can download for lifetime. For every subject, you will be getting question bank, which includes MSQ, MCQ, NAT, that you can download for lifetime. Okay, so everything is there. Apart from classes, test series, for every subject formula book, for every subject notes, for every subject question bank, everything is there. PYQs. This is in English. In Hindi also, the batch is available for 26, but this will be only recorded. For English, it is live plus recorded, but for Hindi, it is recorded only with same features. Okay, best of the faculties across the country will be helping you. We have 27 batch also. For English, again, it is live plus recorded. Okay, you will be getting everything there, test series, notes, PYQs, everything is available, guys. And for Hindi batch, it is only recorded, but for English, it is live plus recorded. So target is the name for 2027 batch, and vision is the name for 2026 batch. For any doubt, guys, you can connect me again. I'm telling you my number. This is my number, 93549 16360. This is my WhatsApp number. Please, for any doubt, any query, either you get good result or bad result, please let me know. And again, guys, a very congratulations to all the students who get the desired results. Some of you have shared. Right now I'm talking to you, to couple of more students from the English batch have shared the result with again double-digit rank. Congratulations to all. Be brave, luck favors the brave, guys. Thank you everyone.